what we have here is a condenser fan. Now this came out of a LG refrigerator, older LG refrigerator, which by the way, the older units were excellent. In fact, this is a 120 volt condenser fan. It has failed. It is frozen. So this is not the impeller or the fan blade. I'm going to use this just for checking it. As you can see, it won't turn. So, not always, but sometimes you can take these apart. Okay, and we're going to see if we can unstuck the internal and put it back together and see if we can get it working. This is only pretty much a video. The unit was already replaced. So I just want to do this to show you guys if you do run into that issue, you can just pull it apart and hopefully you won't be out of a refrigerator. Okay, so it's stuck right in this section here. Very hard to turn. So we're going to pull this out if we can. So, little WD-40. One of my favorite. Just remember, WD-40 is non-conductive. That thing was stuck. So that's a small bearing right in there, and so sometimes the motor itself is not bad. So what you need to do, just get it lubricated, get it rolling. Look at that. Okay, so the fan itself is still good, I'm presuming. You also have one here. Okay, so I'm going to put it back together, and we're going to put some power to it. All right, so we're going to set this on here. Okay, previously it wouldn't move. So now we don't have the fridge here to check it. Okay, so what we're going to do, it is a 120 volt fan, and you can always, if you're not sure, this is a heavy duty motor anyways. But you can always look on the side of it. Whenever you see a motor large like that, it's always going to be 120 volts. So so what we're going to do, we're going to get a power cord, and we're going to cut 2 pieces of wires, and we're going to insert those into the connector. Now, Polarity does not matter. Just make sure you get them in there. Don't shock yourself, obviously, if you're doing this test. And you will see shortly it will come to life. There you have it, guys. 120-volt fan, and we just fixed it. Lubricating the bearings with WD-40. Thanks for watching.